Okay, hello Cuxton. So once again, I'm having to record my assembly because I've got a very important meeting today. So it isn't live, so I'm sure your teachers will show you this at some point when convenient to them, because we've got a very busy couple of days going on in school. We've got lots of production practices, we've got the fete, and so on. So I'm sure a teacher will find time to show you this at some point. So we're going to start with our certificates today. So off to year one first of all. So we have Jack for excellent recalling of his digraphs and trigraphs in phonics. And there were some fantastic phonics scores in year one last week. Well done to Billy for showing great resilience when practicing the Christmas play. Can't wait to see all the Christmas plays. I'm so excited. Well done to Lily D for demonstrating excellence for fantastic recall of digraphs and trigraphs in phonics. And to Joseph for showing community skills in tidying the classroom. Thank you, Joseph, for being so helpful. Let's give year one a huge clap. Well done to year one. Off to year two now. So we have Kira, who's always caring for her classroom community. Oh, Kira, that's just lovely. Keep it up. We have Isla for showing great resilience to her maths learning. So clearly being challenged, Isla, but trying your best. We have Zen for always working hard and showing excellence at all times. Well done, Zen. And to Remy for a fantastic written version of the Christmas story. And I saw some of the writing going on in beach class last week and it was phenomenal. Let's give year two a huge round of applause. Well done, year two. Off to year three, so we have Vogue, who's shown resilience for her perseverance in sewing and creating a hand calendar for Enterprise Week. I saw some of the creations. Wow, they are amazing. I'm hoping to raise lots of money from them. Well done to Nancy S for being focused on learning her lines and songs for the Christmas production. So she's also demonstrating excellence. To Lottie for working hard to improve her handwriting. Keep it up, Lottie. And for Arthur for continuing to work hard in all subjects. Wow, Arthur, a real all-rounder. Let's give year three a huge round of applause. Well done, year three. Off to year four now. So we have Daisy for her beautiful, excellent dance moves in our Christmas play practice. I'm so excited. I've seen the year three production going on this morning. It looks fantastic. Well done to Charlotte B for showing team spirit in and out of the classroom. Huge well done, Charlotte. And to Maggie for being a good friend and demonstrating our value of community. Oh, it's a lovely thing to receive a certificate for. And to Alex for showing resilience with his handwriting. Keep it up, Alex. Let's give year four a huge round of applause. Well done, year four. So off to year five now. So we have Ollie for his brilliant effort at the carol concerts. And I know how much year five enjoyed their day last week and represented the school wonderfully. We have Holly for her resilience with sewing a stocking. There's been lots of sewing going on in the last week for Enterprise Week. We have Paige for her amazing morning work. Keep it up, Paige. And to Randall for great acting in the Fate advert. Can't wait to see the advert, Fate, Randall, sorry. Okay, let's give year five a huge clap. Well done, year five. Off to year six. So we have Tristan for demonstrating excellence when writing in the role of a character. Oh, Tristan, I'd love to see that work because I taught Willow class Thursday morning. I was so looking forward to finding out how Edwin Drood was killed. To Gwen for demonstrating resilience when creating a watercolour picture inspired by William Morris. Keep it up, Gwen. It sounds like a lovely piece of work. To Bella for showing amazing resilience in maths. Well done, Bella. And to Valerie for an excellent confession letter in English. Again, linked to Edward Drood. Well done, Valerie. Let's give year six a huge round of applause. Well done, year six. Tidiest classrooms this week. So the tidiest classroom in the infant school is, drum roll, stop, Oak class. Well done, Oak class. I think you've won that a few weeks in a row now. And the tidiest classrooms in the junior school go to, drum roll, stop, year six. I can't remember the last time year six won that certificate. So well done, year six, clearly trying hard. Okay, we've got our attendance certificates now. So to see who's going to win the golden envelopes. So the best attendance at the infant school with 96.9 goes to, drum roll, stop, Pine class. Well done, Pine class. Very impressive. And so we've got 96.9 to beat. The best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, stop, with 98.3%, Willow class. So Willow are the winners of the golden envelopes this week. Well done, Willow. Okay, we've got a few other things to hand out today. So we have Maisie in year 5, who has achieved her bronze certificate. So well done, Maisie, for 100 Cyrils. We also have Joe and Tom in year 3, who came to see me a couple of days ago for their amazing achievement at karate. So Joe and Tom have been awarded their orange belt at karate because of how well they did. So well done for achieving such a wonderful outcome at karate. They were very, very proud of themselves. They came down to see me a few days ago and I said, please bring them back in so I can show them in assembly. So let's give Joe and Tom and Maisie a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, last but not least, the golden book. Let's see how many we've got in there this week. Here we go. So we've got Leo in year 1 for full marks on his spelling test. Well done, Leo, working very hard. We've got Blake R for Leon H, Myla S, Jack W, and Nina F for excellent understanding the number 10. Keep it up. We've got Harry G for his phenomenal improvements in his overall maths scores on mock stats. I said to Harry, I don't think I've ever seen such a jump from one term to another. Amazing progress, Harry. To Owen R and Charlie M for an amazing improvement in their times table rock stars results. Again, jumped from 4 to 18 in one term, which is amazing. And to Callum L and Riley K for excellent understanding of the number 10 as well. So well done to all those children for being in the golden book this week. So have the best week, children. It's a very exciting one in school, and I'm sure I'll see lots of you at the fete tomorrow. Let's see how much money we can raise. Let's hope it's a lot. And don't forget, you can buy hamper raffle tickets before school tomorrow morning in front of the office, or the stall will be open to 4:30 on the actual fete day as well. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.